So in this chapter, we've learned to use the get PHP function to assign a query string to a variable. We've used post to assign form values to variables. We've used two scripts to insert records to a database table, the first to provide a table of fields for keyboard entry, and the second using post to get the field values and insert them into the database. We've used three scripts to update a specific record, the first to select the record we want, and the other two similar to the insert process above. We've redirected the user to another PHP file on the basis of an event rather than a click. We've formatted tabular data with headers and alternating row styles, and we've started to create a rudimentary homepage menu for our CRM project. As usual, there's a quick quiz with answers on this website, training.tmit.net. There's some more complex exercises to really test what you've learned, and there's exercise check snippets, which test your database to see if you've got them right.